Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting KMZ file to TCX file. Basically we need KMZ track file because KMZ is a container which may have a different information, like if it's point of interest information, we cannot convert it into track, into TCX, but if it's KMZ track, we can. So let me show you. I have a KMZ file on my computer and I show you how it look like. So this is KMZ Viewer, it's free app, it's showing what is inside in KMZ file, and also I can export into different data, most popular data formats, but I will be using this my track to KMZ to convert it into TCX format. And you can see it has a, basically track has a 4 or 3 or even 2 basic columns. It's longitude and latitude. This track contains date when it happens and it contains altitude. But basically it's just track, right? Everything it's like continuous path of GPS coordinate. I will download application from this site. I will leave the link on this site in the description. To find application, and click on search and type I need KMZ to TCX, and I click convert KMZ file, navigate to KMZ to TCX and click on download button, and later the archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I'll be recording more videos on KMZ converters and TCX converters and more GPS information converters. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Yep, you can see archive has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen. And now I can close this and this and this and double click on shortcut. You can see I have a shortcut on my computer. I have new application installed. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. So I can double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we have to select KMZ file we'd like to convert. So I will click on this button, navigate to my track KMZ, click open. I can add more file if I want to put them to be converted to TCX. Just for demo purposes, let's select one, click on next steps. There are no conversions here, options here yet. I'll just click on next step here, and on final step I'll just click run. And it's asking me for name and location of TCX file. This name and location is okay, just click save. And you can see TCX file saved. Now I can have a TCX viewer on my computer. It's also free app. It's showing what is inside of TCX files. And you can see it has all information moved from KMZ into TCX format. It's also have some additional columns which are empty because there were no such columns into KMZ. However, the most important one, like latitude degrees, longitude degrees, altitude meters, and time are converted into here. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this channel and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.